Welcome to Hillside Hair Clinic, restoring your confidence in using advanced hair transplant procedures from leading UK surgeons. Over the past 8 years, we've carried out over 3,000 hair transplant procedures at our modern, relaxed surgical suites, offering a range of hair transplant options for both men and women. We offer a number of medical treatments, and just recently, platelet-rich plasma, PRP, a treatment to the scalp along with microneedling, which has produced outstanding results. We give patients an experience that not only puts you at ease throughout the patient journey, but allows you to trust that you are in good hands with our highly skilled GMC-registered surgeons and medical team. We will assess your hair loss using the Norwood scale, as well as taking your medical history and getting to know your expectations of the procedure. We will talk you through your options and answer any questions you may have. Following the consultation, we'll be able to offer you a bespoke solution for your hair loss. Our clinic offers both FUT, follicle unit transplantation, and FUE, follicle unit extraction under local anaesthetic. FUT is where a strip is taken from the back of the head with minimal shaving of the area, and individual follicles are dissected under a microscope and are then implanted meticulously in the recipient area, leaving a minimal and noticeable linear scar in the donor area. Many patients choose FUE because it leaves minimal scarring. It's a method of hair transplantation where grafts are harvested by a surgeon from what is referred to as the donor area, usually the back and sides of head. The extracted grafts or follicles are then implanted into what is called the recipient area, which in short is where the patient is suffering from hair loss. Our purpose-built clinic places our patients at ease throughout their hair treatment process. You can be assured that you will receive the best care possible in a relaxed, state-of-the-art clinic throughout the hair transplant procedure. If you are considering hair transplants, contact us today at Hillside Hair Clinic for any questions you may have.